I want to real quick go through how to put on a pack. This is not how to adjust the pack. So once your pack is adjusted, this is the routine that you're going to need to go through every time. If you have not adjusted your pack yet, then it's different, and you need to talk to somebody. But if you have it already adjusted and it fits, you need to go through the same routine. Oh, I'm sorry, Mallory. You punch Mallory. You punch Mallory. Yeah.
I've been tripped.
So
can't catch a break.
Put all the things here. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to put on the belt strap, and you're going to tighten that down. If you have a belly like I do, then you're tightening the strap down on your belly, which is going to feel a little uncomfortable the first time, and eventually you'll get used to it and you won't think about it. If your belly is smaller than your hips, which is most of you, then you're going to have that pack, the belt itself, is going to be sitting on your hips. Okay? So regardless,
if you want to, you can go ahead and like find the top.
Find your hip bone. Yeah.
Find the top of your hip bone. That's roughly where it should be sitting.
And yeah, if you can touch your hip bone underneath the strap, then it's in the right place. But like you can see, I'm kind of like reaching under it to get it. That's the right place. Okay, so that is going to be the most important thing about wearing a pack, is that the waist is in the right place and that it's tight. You don't want it just loose on there. You want to actually cinch it down, not like so that you can't breathe, but like, you know, cinch it down pretty good. And you'll notice, like, actually my pack, I don't even need the straps. I mean, it's going to fall if I don't hold it. But, like, the straps are not carrying the weight at all, right? It's all on the waist, which is what you want because your waist is a lot stronger than your shoulders. Okay? So the next thing you're going to do, the REI guy corrected me the other day, but...
but need to be humble. Right?
Yeah.
You know.
I always do the chest strap first. He says no, but whatever. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this strap right here, and you're going to take this strap right here. They're right under there, and you're going to pull those kind of down and back. I heard somebody say like you're skiing. That probably sounds about right. Mine's hard to do because I've got this stupid thing on there. So, sorry, let me get that out of there so I can do it the way you will. All right, so you're going to take that strap right there, and you're going to pull it down and back, right, until it's fairly tight against your back. Again, if it, like, I actually just tightened it too much just then because it's like starting to cut off my circulation. So you don't want to do that. But you want to tighten it pretty snug, and then you want to do the same thing with your chest strap, and you want to tighten it fairly snug, okay? Most of your packs, this chest strap will go up and down. So if it's sitting uncomfortably on your chest, then you can move that around, okay? So for most women are going to want to put that strap up just under your neck. That's going to be the most comfortable place for it, okay? So every single time you put your pack on, you're going to go through those three things. So then my suggestion to you is to get into a routine when you take it off too, because what most people are going to do when they take the pack off is they're just going to unbuckle their belt and they're going to throw the thing off and they're going to, you know, piss and moan, and then they're going to go in and get something to drink. But
talk about their blisters.
Talk about their blisters, yeah. But my suggestion to you is that you get in the habit of the first thing, taking these two straps on the waist belt and going ahead and pulling those out. If you get that waist belt out loose first, it's going to be much easier to take off. And then you can kind of do the same thing with this strap too. That one matters much less. But if you don't do that waist belt, then you're going to be sitting here piddling with it every single time you got to put your pack on. Okay? So just get in the habit every time when you put your pack on. You know, and it also helps a little bit if you lean forward like that when you strap the belt, the waist belt, because then you don't have to try to pick it up. You know, and get it in the right place. Okay? So just do that every time, and the pack will fit comfortably. If the pack is not riding on your waist as we hike today, then say something and we'll just adjust it. It's super simple to adjust, but you are going to want to adjust it. Okay?